Mao akwaba mfambra Nnawotwe dwumade so betumi akọ Facebook no jo comment o me ba behwe na makan mo bia so atenia also o tre on the show. You spent 4 minutes before when me for two the number banam the 6.
Okay. So said the American. The first publication is in our criminal books. That's why the state had taken over on the criminal aspect.
That is misdemeanor.
No, that's no. The misdemeanor is just so we have levels of crime.
Yeah.
Yes, we have first degree, second degree, and all the things. But the fact they say a criminal in our criminal books and criminal crime beyond against the state. The second point, and I was very thankful to you, sir, who cleared the air, said I didn't use the word warrant, but you see. Nanake kasa ni no stories obo ni no question back wa obisa ye me den say is that not the process eno na ese ubisa enya said ye di because you just left power and until when your opportunity for 8 years to visit anybody at NIB until now nim said their process
no but process but it's the right process.
Yes.
But process no, and you dealing with someone who's causing a misdemeanor as the law states.
I'll
give you time.
No, I'm making statement.
You should withdraw. Hold on. I'll give you a time.
Anytime, on withdraw answer.
Yeah, but
no opportunity to visit anybody at NIB.
Yes,
I went there million times. You don't know.
Hold on.
It's also false publication.
Remember time. Now worry about it.
Go and report me.
Yeah.
The American say. Oko NIB processor offer so edi hu obi owo ho no we don't differentiate that of misdemeanor first degree a processor that of blunt no a processor no they can't say ye chi obi for misdemeanor na wo be hu na nipa 10 betima ko hu say your first degree felony nipa 1
that's why we're giving common sense.
And I'm saying that me no ka say until say ye be yen sisan no eno na e ya de den e wo ho.
That's not true.
People faced it for the past 8 years when his government was in power. But then at the end, my officials, they saw him. The FCM then say, Kumi Nankase stated blank say, he applauds the officials. One guy. Or said, Omu professionally. They didn't intimidate him. Oman form on sign the anchor. But immediately came. Ya do ko on na upia. Now, only God knows. Nanake say we are not in Banana Republic. Me my imagine say power ya bano. Me nye comparison of the C with MPP. That's why I've been quiet in my first submission. But yet your man we I'm a MPP and the MPP. Journalist Caleb of City TV. Omu in a Rambo style. I'm MPP 4 were on TV. Defending and supporting it. And that ya ekadeng. Our mra kumina kasa edia dance under this NIB no.
Okay.
Or your man form on Saturday. That is the most important thing. But in short, and to wrap up, you can say S-party communication. Ubetimia bo online. Na search S-party communication. Na fa compare the course with video ni no. Nebisa almost say. Does that amount to ex-party communication? It doesn't amount to ex-party communication. So only
thank you very much.
Now at the end, no. Court say almost
6 minutes for you. Yeah.
Kojo. Me read the code of conduct of Ghana Judicial Service. 7A that talk about the ex-party communication. I'm just reading the commentary to you.
Me too.
The judge shall not initiate. Permit, initiate, permit, or consider any ex-party communication concerning a pending or impending proceedings. Please.
What shows that there was?
Okay.
No, the worst.
No.
No, let's take the worst one by one.
Allow him.
I prevented him from interrupting. It doesn't fit to the video.
Manenkasa, please.
It doesn't fit to the video.
Nanakasa.
Kojo. Brofona. What should I go?
Yes.
Now, what the permit mean? Permit means that because of Medjuma Yinti and the code of conduct in T. So we wouldn't now person will approach me. In the concern me penny approach because we can't so many. Kojo ti say because I may penny and my approach me. It go against my code of conduct.
So greetings is
Please stop this.
Charlie, Mama, please. We all give you respect when you're talking. Please allow him.
Enti se kwadwo wu nim me na me ye madwuma as a judge no minim se emra ebo madwuma me ye no ho ban no emma me kwan abra wo case wo manim otu kan to aso wo se empo abehia se obi a the case wo wanim e wo se oba behu be concerning the case na omo assist wo judge no e wo courtroom ho no e ye class no they are the people they should approach. Sempo ubepene so bra or say we inform other parties no mom you're present. Kodoti say I'm not here to explain the law. Menya lawyer ni. But what we are trying to say is say Kumi concerns our reason is say already this act no any the ohun ye no or feel say bibia koso a or say mampani hwe no investigate. This is the whole thing no. Or say, dear me who ye no, any acts na me ready ye no. Misusu say, bibia koso, de akoso ni nti mampani, eni kwansa opene ema opani ni koso tena asem ne so. Boni awa ye ne dey. Why petition ya mampani? Mampani so obe set committee I investigate, so on set committee I investigate. All of a sudden, a portion of video appear bonting. Ye nyina ye nim ba video ni pie free ye. And I believe, say, even say NIB any that information, a CID, police CID, can fish out the illicit information within a twinkling of an eye. And I say, even Oma Egusu share video, so say no credential, they are also accomplished. Oma Egusu share no. I've also seen it. And I may be something say, well, me near Kumi, Ckairman. One also who be shaking of hands, akoso. And also to an understanding, mono shaking on hands, a contact. Onim the be and commodity a course between Omumi and while shaking hands. What you say? There was a contact. I ain't nobody a dance here. Say a car contact, there was a contact. A football na a team na contact is here and get penalty yaw. Meboa. Yeah. So far as I'm working on working. And the football man never have a penalty na. So me, I don't see why. I also we be the do. Now be by accusation, no be defending. No. Yen na ma mrane kwan. Na mrane nye na juma. We don't have any problem. And I make say, Kwadwo Sekoba say, ye churo break Kumi. Say Kumi, what churo krata dia koma mampani. Mampani, I say, ye investigate. And ye be here assistance. Any evidence kura wo no. Fabra na ye hwehwe asem nim. A democratic era and ye practice it.
Okay.
I don't care, say, who now say MPP Bresso, and ye kokwachi will be, and ye kobono, and ye say. Let me say this. NIB office, I know a lot of people there. I've gone there on a series of cases. Different cases. Inti what you can say, what you are bemunti wanko hodana, a entro. Different cases. I was even able to tell you the way almost sex as cells look like. Under Mampeni Kufuor's administration. And main crop for different issues. And me kwasara for. What you say? Enti the person you can say, Kwadwo, we are nyina pese emra no enye na dwuma. Say efa ekwampaso eye na dwuma, we will all be happy. Efa kwambone so a enei eye Kwadwo. Ochena ebetimi aye me, ebetimi aye wo. Me de me feel ni say bibi koso ne ntwa yi a yemia ye ne yensi kire ya no ne yenka no kore no.
Okay. Yo.
Ne nyina nti ase say ade no ekwan ade fa so ne nye kwampa. Mama yen start ade bi ochena me, let me tell you. The koso ene ya freeway ade che ya chiwe. 6 minutes na so. But
yeah so.
Come on ya. Ya freeway ne ade che ya chiwe. That is not the reason why Ghana for to about ade sesan amamu no. Ye pempum tu.
Okay.
Ye penkanko.
Mate.
That is what we are looking for.
Medase. But Mahama, one thing we forgot to bring in is Chairman Wontumi's own. So I'll probably give you 2 minutes on that. But the thing is that more, according to lawyer, no, we invited Chairman Wontumi more agrees or beba Monday, abeshia CID. why then take people to Kumasi to go and according to Omono, they were going to bring him in.
And I was
no, focus on
I'll focus on that. Yes. I'll focus on that. But yes, I'll bear in mind, say, and yet every contact in the 18 line and a penalty. That's what you must know.
Okay.
That's what he must also know. And then he had a penalty.
Yeah. Won't to me that so Osha.
No, you see,
doesn't exude of an abuse
of make statement be said. Ghana for any way into no to Abamayan. I agree with him in its entirety. And untinu chema to me dieno. Asema meka fa hon say. Do you know that people can even take the state to court? So you aware. Could you say aware?
Oh yes. Sure.
Inti say chema to me ne lawyers. Esusu say obi atiati omofa ahudi eso. Obi atia emraso. They should take the state to court.
Okay.
If not, yenja na mranya den enye adwuma.
Okay.
Na enne de enti a woto abamaya na ke e kana man ne fango buo na first ye ton a gallon of close to 80 Ghana cedi no in the a gallon and I'm around 50 something Ghana cedi. Me no ka say exchange rate ye beji ye na etum 15 Ghana cedis. Enne ukra $1 woji around 11 point something Ghana cedis. Ana me boa. Me no ka say edwumewura National Apprenticeship Program. Ayedi egu akwemu a emma mebunu adwuma. It is ongoing.
Mate.
And then you launch work abroad.
Mate.
Ah, wow, person we hear Juma.
No, because
I want him to understand, say, his refusal.
You are not speaking to me.
His refusal to know. His refusal to know, say, yeah, Juma.
Mate.
Thank you very much. That doesn't mean, say, oh, we're doing what I say. What from this?
Mohammed Ibrahim Al Hassan on Facebook said, good morning, Adom TV. Thank God. And may He bless all of us in another weekend. I wish you all the best. Regards to, okay, all right. Dana B said, nice conversation happening. Yes, but that's it. Dana B for that. Over to me, Aqua Adom TV, Facebook, or no, comment to know. Obi actually Chinese, so the better baby maintain
Chinese.
No, actually, the better.
I can't do that. A young fool, you come Chinese and I know.
No way. One Charlie there. Okay. My young queen.
Why am I 2 minutes? Maybe.
Won't me there. I said, oh, what's a mal back there? Said, oh, mamma for mamma. 1 minute or won't me.
Oh, man, 2, mammy 2.
1 minute a year. What can I say?
Quadri. A drew bedroom and penny for the actual man. Made the empress make Magana phone in our tears in the say. Said ye, Bodria, Ankan and Pietono. Sana enka confonson semoda.
Okay. All right.
The ye nyina yen kai ye hunu say to me esesa. Obi be mistake wa ban we mu. Se mo be pese kwan a ye fa so treating crofo ne no. Wo so mistake yen treat you say bia. It's up to them. But I think say yenyai emra no. Ne emra no enye na djuma.
Okay.
The political if woman 2 minutes, we can 1 minute impose thank you.
Another topic no horse.
One 2 minutes. Then it's another topic go. And I say what for 1 minute?
Oh yeah, mania.
But the truth of the matter is that yenyai say politically ye influence emrano. Niema mrano nye na djuma. Ye meka no.
Mate. Mamincha Dr. Peter Pate Auntie or share our Facebook Dr. Auntie educationist or University of Cape Coast Doc. And I pay me chow. Now, me did the one who kept costing our piano. You see, my from Papa and Chow. Yeah, but honey, about school of agriculture, and I should most more record.